السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Respected judges and my dear friends, in this auspicious occasion of meme, I would like to speak about something important: the AI that ends the human life. My dear friends, AI is everywhere. Even in our smartphone, our tablet, our laptop, in some self-driving cars, or in a machine which helps the doctor to make good decisions. In machines, in industrial sectors, it is everywhere. It is very beneficial to human life. It can do very tough tasks in easy ways. But it also comes with some serious risks. We should know about that, we should understand about that, and we should make solution for that. Dear friends, when we talk about jobs, AI can make, it can perform the repetitive task in very easy way, in very less time, in very efficient way. It can give any solution to the problems. It can used in industrial areas, transport areas, in every accountant, and like every areas we can use AI. But people are afraid that AI will eat their job. AI will make them lose their jobs. Just imagine, after some time, there is AI everywhere. People will lose their job, but every new job will created. But the people not able to join their new jobs. What it will conclude? It will conclude to large amount of unemployment. And the biggest problem for the nation is the biggest economic crisis. And secondly, we need to talk about the warfare. AI is now using in the warfare, in the wars. AI can develop the new artilleries and improve the old ones. Some countries are already using AI to make better decisions. It makes the 100 times better decision than humans. It can be used in the dangerous situations where soldiers should go. AI can replace their jobs. It is very useful. But what if the AI took decision against the human beings? What if it accidentally attacked the human being? It will escalate the biggest rivalry between human and the AI. So, third, we have to look at the bias. AI learns the data. Where it learns from? It learns from the internet that human uploaded. Humans are different kinds. They have biased opinions. So AI is used in every different sectors, like law and enforcement. If AI got biased and it gave solution according to a religion, according to their money, according to their caste, according to their highest reputation in social sector, it will be very biased. So AI should learn transparency data. And other main thing is losing control over AI. Many scientists said that it will be very dangerous if we lose control over AI. But main topic is privacy. Government are using privacy, using our AI to check that what we are doing in online and what we are doing in offline. It is very threat to our privacy life. And the end, AI is a tool. Unlike any tool, it has its own perspectives. It can be used in good and it can be used in bad. It has very good potential. It can make a human's life better. But unless we are careful, we will lose our jobs. We will lose our safety. We will lose our privacy. So the decision we make today, it will provide the good future for us. We should ensure that AI will serve peoples, but not the other way around. Thank you for the opportunity. I conclude my speech. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.